In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS stuttering and dropped frames. We know that encountering these issues can be frustrating, especially when you're just trying to stream smoothly. So let's dive in and see how you can improve your OBS performance. First up, you'll want to locate the OBS icon on your computer. Once you have that in front of you, give it a right click. This will bring up a menu, and from there, you're going to select Properties. Now, within that menu, navigate your way to the Compatibility tab. Here, we're looking for the option that lets us run OBS in administrator mode. It's crucial to ensure that this box is checked. Running OBS as an administrator provides it with the necessary permissions to operate more efficiency and influence the system resources it requires. This small change can make a considerable difference in performance. Now, let's move forward, assuming you have OBS open. Head over to the Settings menu. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options, but what we are particularly interested in is Advanced. Clicking on Advanced unveils a setting called Process Priority. This is an important step where you're going to change its priority. You'll see options ranging from normal to high. I recommend setting this to either above normal or high. By doing so, you're essentially telling your system that streaming is a high priority task and encouraging the operating system to allocate resources accordingly. This adjustment ensures that OBS performance is prioritized even when you have other games or programs running simultaneously. This setup helps minimize lag and stuttering, noticeably enhancing your streaming quality by reducing dropped frames. And with that, you've now configured OBS for a much smoother performance. These steps are often all it takes to effectively address and solve issues with stuttering and dropped frames. Remember, streaming is as much about stability as it is about speed, and these changes should help you in maintaining both. That wraps up our guide for today. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides just like this one. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your streaming.